Hello, and welcome to this guide on how to file for Social Security benefits. Whether you're planning for retirement, seeking disability assistance, or applying for survivor benefits, understanding the process is crucial. In this video, we'll walk you through the steps to file for Social Security benefits, ensuring you have the information you need for a smooth application. What is Social Security? Social Security is a government program that provides financial support to individuals and their families during retirement, disability, or loss of a loved one. The most common type is retirement benefits, but there are also disability, survivors, and supplemental security income (SSI) benefits available. Types of benefits: retirement benefits for those reaching full retirement age, disability benefits for individuals unable to work due to a medical condition, survivors benefits for the spouse, children, or parents of a deceased worker, supplemental security income (SSI) for low-income individuals with limited resources. Eligibility criteria: to be eligible for retirement benefits, you must have earned enough Social Security credits through work, be at least full retirement age, which varies based on your birth year, thus 66 to 67 years old for those born in 1960 or later. How to apply for Social Security. 1. Online application. Visit the SSA website. Create an account if you don't have one. Follow the prompts to submit your application. 2. Over the phone, call the SSA at 1-800-772-1213. Be prepared to provide personal and employment details. 3. In person. Visit your local SSA office. Bring the required documents and prepare to answer detailed questions. Documents needed: Social Security card, proof of age, birth certificate, passport, employment history, W-2 forms, tax returns, bank information for direct deposit, common pitfalls to avoid. Ensure all information is accurate to avoid delays. Apply a few months before your desired start date. Keep all communication with SSA organized for future reference. What to do if your application is denied? If your application is denied, you have the right to appeal. Contact the SSA for guidance on the appeal process. Consider using the SSA's online tools to estimate your benefits and plan when to start receiving them for maximum advantage. To summarize, filing for Social Security benefits involves understanding eligibility, choosing your application method, and preparing the necessary documents. For more detailed information, visit the SSA website or consult with a representative. Remember to secure your personal information and be vigilant against scams.